Did you know that you can beam up your photo album to your TV if it has Bluetooth and supports AirPlay? Select your photo, select AirPlay, choose your TV, and then what you can do is beam it up straight from your phone and change photos easily so that everybody can check out your photo album. Did you know that in Photos, you can search for objects within the photos or videos? So I'm just going to search for bass so I can find all my playing videos, and sure enough, it finds all of them. When on Safari, if you tap the middle bottom button and then go to Find on Page, you can find any term you want within a web page easily and scroll through them. Pretty cool. Did you know that you can search your messages too, in case you're trying to find an address or a phone number? A surprising number of people don't know that the iPhone has a built-in camera timer. Click the top arrow, and then in the menu below, click on the timer icon. You can then choose a timer amount, and then press the shutter, and then away you go. You can take your timed photo. Works every time. Sometimes you make a mistake when you're typing, and going back to that mistake is difficult. But if you press and hold the spacebar, it becomes a cursor where you can place the cursor exactly where you want and then fix your mistake. If you want to record your screen on your iPhone, go to Settings and scroll down to Control Center. Find Screen Recording below and add it to your list of options. Then when you swipe from the top right, you'll see the recording button at the bottom. Tap it, and then you'll start recording in a number of seconds. Once it's recording, you'll see the red in the top left. Tap it to get a prompt if you want to stop. When you stop, then you'll see it saved to your camera roll. If you're in a pinch and need to charge your iPhone extra fast, swipe down on the right for your control center and then turn on airplane mode. This will disable a number of key iPhone features and make it charge faster. Did you know that your iPad Pro can be used as a secondary monitor for your Mac? You just use a USB Thunderbolt cable, connect it, go to your display settings, and then extend to your iPad, and then away you go, you actually have two screens.